Functions describing intervals. So we're going to go through a little vocabulary, then we'll look at a couple examples to see if we can describe what's going on different intervals of graphs. So for example, if we're looking at this line, and we want to look at our lines from left to right, just like how we read from left to right, this line from left to right is increasing. It is going up from left to right. And if it helps you to write the word along it from left to right, it is increasing from left to right. Next we have decreasing. If your line is going down from left to right, if it's straight, if it's curved, doesn't really matter. But if it's going down as we look at it from left to right, we have decreasing. Or if our line is staying the same from left to right, we have it remaining constant. That means it's not going up, it's not going down, it's not increasing or decreasing, it's staying at a constant rate of change. So let's look at some functions and then we can talk about the intervals. So this one we want to determine the number of intervals that describe each. Well, we have three different intervals or functions. We have this interval here that starts from negative infinity and goes down, 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 down until it gets to this point. And then we have this section between these 2 points. And then we have this section that starts here and goes on for infinity to the right. So we have three intervals, and we want to describe each of these as increasing, decreasing, or constant. Well, don't let this arrow fool you. This arrow is starting from negative infinity going down, 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 down. It is decreasing from left to right. So it is read from left to right, not from right to left. Right to left would mess up your answer, but from left to right, this is decreasing until it gets to this point. And then the interval from this point to this point, what is our function doing? Well, our function is not increasing, it is not decreasing, it is remaining constant. Then from this point forward, from left to right, are we going up, down? Are we staying the same? If I look at this from left to right, interval 3 is increasing from left to right. So, quick examples today. Let's go through and you guys try one of these. Determine the number of intervals, then describe each. Pause the video here and see how you do. All right, welcome back. So let's count our sections. We have one interval here, and an interval from here to here. We have a third interval between these 2 points. And then we have a curved line for this interval that is from here going on for infinity, up, up, and beyond. All right, then we want to determine what's going on with each of these intervals. Well, remember we're reading these from left to right, just like we read words from left to right. So this interval from left to right, interval 1, is increasing from left to right. Interval 2 from here to here is decreasing from left to right. Then interval 3 is not going up, it is not going down, it is remaining constant. And interval 4, our curved line is increasing, increasing forever and ever. So it is increasing as well. So I hope that helps you with your vocabulary and just recognizing intervals of functions at its most basic level. And hope you have a great day. OUT spells out.